Discover a destination where the horizon stretches endlessly, inviting an extraordinary escape. Welcome to Delphin BE Grand Resort, a 5-star haven of luxury and relaxation. Explore expansive pools within lush gardens, or dive into thrilling water park adventures. Then, find serenity on Lara Beach's private sands, with refreshments right by the shore. Step into refined elegance, from the striking lobby to your spacious sanctuary. Each room offers modern comforts, including a flat-screen TV. Many feature a private balcony with Mediterranean sea views. Rejuvenate at the luxurious spa, featuring a marble hammam, soothing massages, and beauty treatments. Stay active at the state-of-the-art gym, or enjoy illuminated tennis courts and beach volleyball. Embark on a culinary journey across stylish restaurants and bars. Savor authentic Italian, rich Chinese flavors, or savory barbecue specialties. From elegant a la carte dining to abundant buffets, every meal is an occasion. As evening descends, the resort transforms. Lounge bars offer vibrant entertainment, while beautifully illuminated pools create a serene backdrop. Discover a destination designed for an unforgettable experience.